Hi, I'm Jeannie. Welcome to Mimi Craft, your home for all things creative and DIY on a budget. I make all the mistakes so you don't have to. Today we'll be making a super easy pillar candle holder. You'll need a cylinder glass vase. I bought one from Dollar Tree, but they're easy to find in thrift stores. A 3.5-inch glass bowl. They come in packs of 4 at Dollar Tree. You'll need some decorative paper. I chose scrapbooking paper from Hobby Lobby. Comes in 12 by 12 sheets. You could also use gift wrap or any other decorative paper that you have. You'll just need to cut it down to size. Take your paper and roll it inside out and put it into the vase. We're doing this so that the markings can be on the wrong side. Make sure it's in there good. And you're going to use a pencil. This is for the circumference to just kind of see how much paper you're working with. With mine, I had maybe about an inch too much. So I measured and took about an inch off. I did a measurement top and bottom and drew a cutting line. This is what it looks like with Christmas gift wrap. This is perfect for a last-minute gift or a grab bag. It's really beautiful and thoughtful. I was so happy with the outcome of this project that I decided to make some for my own home. I actually made a set of 3. I thrifted both a smaller and larger vase so that I could have a set, and this is how they look. thanks so much for joining me for another video. You can support me by giving me a like, which is a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. It would really help me out so much. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.